To deposit money at a CIBC ATM, start by accessing your account online. To do this, find the CIBC homepage by typing CIBC into your search engine and selecting the first option that appears. Once on the homepage, you will see various options, including the ability to sign in to your account using your card number and password. If you haven't already, you will need to register for online banking. Upon signing in, you will have access to your account and be able to view various options, including those related to credit cards, mortgages, investments, insurance, and ways to bank. You can also use mobile services or find a banking center near you to use an ATM. The ATM network offers comprehensive services, including quick cash and multitasking capabilities, with no additional fees at select locations. To find an ATM near you, you can use the location feature on your PC or search for a banking center in your area. By following these steps, you can easily deposit money at a CIBC ATM.